Hey guys, finally I have received my iPhone 17. So I'm gonna unbox this. Oh, finally. Okay. So this is iPhone 17 Sage color that I have ordered. So I just received it. So I ordered it on 12th September. I pre-ordered it, and finally I have received this. So let us open this. Okay. Okay. Oh, the green is really amazing, looking amazing actually. So we have the phone here. We have the phone itself, and this is the phone. So we'll keep this aside. So we have the phone, and we have the braided cable. So it is Type C to Type C, as you can see, and we have the SIM ejector too. So this is the cable, and we don't have anything else. So we don't have any guide or paper. So it's just the cable and the phone itself. So this is the cable and this is the phone. So let us quickly open this. Satisfaction level is high, when you unwrap this. Okay, so let us power it on. Guys, so this is a phone side. So we have the action button, volume button, SIM card slot, and we have the action button on the other side and the power button. And we do have two cameras, primary and ultra wide, and the back is looking actually very cool. So green is like looking amazing compared to all other colors. It's my personal preference. So I have seen other colors in store, but compared to that, green is looking very good compared to other colors, and it just got turned on. So this is how it looks, and in the bottom we have Type C and main speaker and the microphones. So yeah, so this is the unboxing of it. So I'll be posting a detailed review after I set it up. I'll be giving you a detailed review of how the phone actually was, and I'll be using it for a couple of days or weeks. Later I'll be posting a detailed video. So let me know if you're interested in any specific video which you want, like comparison, like photo comparison and other details. I'll be posting that. Yeah, thanks.